Eid is a holy event celebrated by Muslims worldwide, and we believe no one should be left out of the joys of getting an Eid card. Today, we will learn how to make a DIY Braille Eid card for the visually impaired. So, without further ado, let's get right into it. First, we will need a hard art paper, from which we will cut out an 8-inch long and a 4-inch wide section. Remember to rub off any dirt or material sticking to the paper, because this card is meant to be experienced through touch. We will then fold the paper in half through the long ends, creating a 4x4-inch Eid card. We will then take colored art paper and cut out a crescent moon, which we will glue to the front of the card. Now to add the message. As you can see, we have printed out an Eid Mubarak wish in Braille, which is in an inverse form. Feel free to pause the video to print or copy it onto a piece of paper. We will take the paper and place it on the backside of the card. We will then poke out the Braille spots so that on the other side, we have the bumps reading out Eid Mubarak. Next, using a glue gun, we will paste glue around the moon's outline to give it a feelable bumpy shape. Finally, we will finish off by highlighting it as well. Now that the card is done, you can add your personalized message which someone can read out to your recipient while they enjoy the Braille Eid card. Akij Ceramics believes in the importance of language for the visually impaired. And that's why we created Braille tiles. To get these tiles, contact us in our inbox.